Hey YouTube, how you doing? It's your 2A rights defender, back with another one. I'm not going to try to make this video too long for y'all today, but today we're going to talk about, in my opinion, why red flag laws are illegal. Okay, because people hear me say that all the time. First off, today TikTok was banned in the U.S., so that's kind of like hindrance on your First Amendment right to free speech. But if the technology has been proven to, do more harm than good, then they will remove it. Okay. But that's all subject. Just remember the Second Amendment protects your First Amendment. But today I'm gonna talk about why red flag laws are illegal. Okay. So first I'm gonna read what a red flag law is. Okay, so in the United States, a red flag law, named after the idiom red flag, meaning warning sign, also known as a risk-based gun removal law, is a law that permits a state court to order the temporary seizure of firearms and other items regarded as dangerous weapons in some states from a person who they believe may present a danger. A judge makes the determination to issue the order based on statements and actions made by the gun owner in question. Refusal to comply with the order is punishable as a criminal offense. After a set time, the guns are returned to the person from whom they were seized unless another court hearing extends the period of confiscation. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain why that is illegal. Okay. It's illegal simply because in America, suspicion does not constitute a crime. And that's what a red flag law is. Okay. And I'll go after states like Maryland because they are the kings of using those kinds of laws. Okay. Now, first off, before I start, I'm going to show you how it goes into the may issue, shall issue problem that was resolved by the Supreme Court, where the whole country is now shall issue. It's no more may issue. Okay. May issue, as Mr. Mark Smith says on the Four Boxes Diner, he calls them licensing regimes. Okay. So in states like Maryland, who had licensing regimes, I could check out. I could pass all the background checks, take all the classes, do everything right. And then the day I go to get my actual CCP from the state troopers, they could simply look at me and not like how I'm dressed and decide, nah, I don't want to give him his license. Okay. So that's what May issue was. Okay. It left it up to the personal discretion of the issuer. And that's unconstitutional. It's illegal. Okay. So that bites into red flag laws. It's the same thing. Okay. You have suspicion and it does not constitute a crime, but yet you're disarmed under suspicion, which means a person can have a personal vendetta against you. Okay. They cannot like you for political reasons, for personal reasons. You can, you never got into it with this person, never was anything physical. They just don't like you from the neighborhood. Let's use that as an example. Okay. And you get arrested under a red flag law simply because of someone complaining on you. Okay. And that's arresting someone under suspicion of a crime. That's illegal. That's unconstitutional. Okay. So it allows people to just make up anything and they will come lock, a person up under a red flag law without getting their half of the story. Okay. They'll take a complainer's story and they'll run with it and they'll use it to prosecute another person as a criminal without his due process. Okay. Now, when I was arrested in Maryland, right? When I went to the little court proceedings and stuff, because I just pled guilty at pretrial. I didn't want to bother with it because they arrested me with my gun. All they had to do was present the gun. If I would have took it to trial, the evidence is right there. Okay. So I didn't fight it. I just pled guilty, right? And just took whatever they gave me. Like I was just, you know, taking it to the hoop. All right. So I ended up with 3 years unsupervised probation because I didn't have no co-defendants. I was a clean bean. I never had got arrested, right? So I was never told to disarm, but in my discovery, my lawyer told me that I had a secret indictment against me. And when I asked to face my accusers, the state of Maryland wouldn't let me because they said you have a weapons charge and they don't allow that out of fear of retaliation. That's illegal. Everybody in this country has the right to face their accusers, okay? So a red flag law, especially with firearms, allows people to complain on somebody that they don't even like. Don't you don't have to deal with this person at all a day in your life, but they just know who you are from wherever and they don't like you, okay? They don't even have to know your name. They could just be paying attention to you all the time and watching you, when you come out, to how they trying to watch you all the time, always in your business, looking for something to complain on you about, but they don't even know you. They just don't like you, okay? And it allows them to constitute a crime under suspicion. Like I'm gonna keep saying, it's illegal. That's unconstitutional. Okay, so this is the reason why I say red flag laws are illegal, because they allow people to be convicted under the suspicion of a crime. A crime doesn't even have to be committed, it's just a suspicion. And as you heard, temporarily disarm. Okay. So this is your 2A rights defender back with another one. Like I said, I'm gonna be audio form now, but I'm gonna keep it rolling when I'm feeling it, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for listening. Peace.